Here is how we're going to add the iPhone widget, but to the lock screen. Let me explain it because there are two types of widgets. Like you have those when you hold it down on the home screen and click on edit and choose a widget. Those are made for the home screen. And not that the same can be added to the lock screen, but you can still add some of them, right? So we're going to actually come back, swipe down so we access the lock screen and hold it down on here to click on customize below. And we have some areas around the lock screen where we can add the widgets. First of all, above the time, so you have the time, which you can most definitely like customize and so on. But above the time, we have a little line there where we can also add some widgets. So you can tap it like this and choose from whatever is available. This might include the built-in apps as well as third-party solutions, right? So as you can see, even a third-party apps can display some stuff in there. For example, a battery widget, a third-party app like the fitness app, Gmail, right? And so on. So you can choose what really appears above the time. So I don't know, for example, I'm going to choose the pedometer, which tracks my steps, right? So if I click in here, you can see that there is the date, but also how many kilometers I walked today. So that's not much. And also below, you have a little like rectangle, a little area for more widgets. So as you can see, I already have two of them. If I tap on it, there is one which I'm going to delete and another one. And you can add widgets into this area as well. So you can as well scroll through the available options and apps. For example, I click on batteries and choose, for example, this larger one. Then I'm going to come back and choose a different types of widget. So I'm going to click on the clock and choose the city digital, for example, from you can choose whichever city you want. Let me just, I don't know, pick something random, Athens, Greece. And now, as you can see, on my lock screen, I have 3 new widgets. I can see the battery of my iPhone, the time in Athens, and also how many kilometers I walked today. So that's like a way you can add widgets to a lock screen. But as I say, those are different types of widgets. They are formatted differently in a different shape and size, and it's completely different thing from those on the home screen in here. So that's how it works. I hope that I was able to explain it. Definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.